Hello. So listen to this one. We eat more calories than any generation in history, and somehow we are malnourished. Our brains are walking around deficient in the very things they need to repair, rebuild, and protect themselves. Can you tell we're talking about nutrients in this episode of the Dementia Dirty Dozen? David, what nutrients do we need?
A whole bunch, but I would like to talk about the most basic things. So obviously, you need the big three: the proteins, the fats, and the carbohydrates, right? So those are basic things everybody needs. And then of course you need the micronutrients, which are all the vitamin C, the vitamin B. Some of these things are easier to get from our diet than others. So I like to focus in on 7. So we don't get enough of in our diets by all accounts. And these are 4 vitamins and 3 minerals. 4 vitamins, 3 minerals, which are, the vitamins are vitamin B, B complex as a whole, vitamin C, D3, and K2. Those are the vitamins. The minerals are zinc, potassium, and magnesium. Notice I didn't mention calcium at all. Calcium is important, but we tend to get enough from our food, and if there's anything problem we can get from our bones as well in extreme conditions. But these 7 that I've mentioned, super important for the brain, especially as you're getting older. Turn 50, 55, hello somebody. I'm not there yet. But as things begin to progress, we're not able to digest or absorb or assimilate these things from food. And we now know that each of these 7 things that I've mentioned are extremely important for different parts of brain health, from repair to regeneration to detoxification to helping the brain sleep properly, and so on and so forth.
Dr. David, are all nutrients created equally? Can we take that list that you just gave us and go to our grocery store tonight and purchase them? Or are there things that we should look out for when purchasing nutrients?
That's a great question. So brand matters for sure, and so the amount matters, whether it's synthetic or not, or whether it's absorbed from plants. There's a whole science and art to getting the right ones. I was fortunate because we have a foundation, and I don't want to use the word tested, but we tried different nutrients, and the ones that we found out that worked are the ones that I recommend to my adult patients and clients. But we had to, there's so many different, depending on the kind of nutrient, whether it's a vitamin C or vitamin D, there's a different brand to it. So it's not an easy answer.
It's not easy, and it's overwhelming. And I think so many of us, I'm speaking for myself, but so many of us want to have a daily regimen, and yet we can be very misled on social media. We can go into our local drugstore, and there are 30 kinds of vitamin C, right?
Yeah.
And so what on earth? So the best thing that you can do is get an advisor, right? You can download Dr. David's Dementia Dirty Dozen. Certainly you offer consultations and advice on which nutrients you've personally seen work and why they work better than others. So
yeah, absolutely. I offer a 15-minute free consultation. So if you're just looking to get some kind of overall picture before you commit to a consultation, by all means reach out to us and we'll help you out.
Awesome. Stay tuned. We're getting through the Dementia Dirty Dozen. We hope you're learning stuff. We hope that you share it with a loved one or somebody that you know. And we hope that you'll check out Dr. David online and get even more information on the Dirty Dozen. Thank you.
Thank you.